Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli here. Thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my patrons and those who ordered their Tesla using my referral code. Please, if you are ordering a Tesla, use my referral code and get some free supercharging miles. Today's video is going to be more of a tutorial, a life experience and lesson learned. If you've been driving for a period of time in your life, you probably encountered with a flat tire. Flat tire is a very bad experience, and especially when it happens on the highway. Also, if you are in a remote area and for a towing truck to come, it takes a long time and all that. And in addition to that, no electric car has a spare tire in it, and many of the regular cars don't even have spare tires. So what I'm giving you a suggestion, last week my wife had a very bad flat tire with the Volt on a highway. I went there and I changed the tire all by myself. This Tesla also had a huge flat tire. I hit a curve, don't ask, and blew the tire to pieces. So since I was a kid, I was very handy. So here's what I suggest: buy a rim and a tire for each of your electric cars. If it's a Tesla, Volt, whatever it is. I have one for the Volt, the 17-inch, and one for the Tesla, the 19-inch. Buy the cheapest rim and the cheapest tire, just because it's a spare. It's not like you're going to drive it all the time, but have it with you and put it in your car, in your trunk, when you go on long distances. Also in the front, I'm going to show you a picture. In the front, I have an entire set of emergency for tire replacement, air pump, the gel and liquid to fill up a tire if you in a place that you cannot change it, if you're in a curb that you can change it. So I put a link for all my tire replacement gear in this video so you can use it. So I have the drive click torque wrench that cost me $29.87 on Amazon. The Tecton drive socket that cost $47.50. The jack lift point for the Model 3, it's a little rubber that you put under the car. There are 4 holes like this in the Tesla Model 3 for each corner, and you put that little it looks like a hockey puck almost. You put it in, and into that you put the jack. And I did not buy the biggest jack. I buy this black jack, and you point it and you lift it up. But before that, of course, you want to loosen up all the bolts on the car, on the wheel, and then lift it up, and then with the wrench and or the torque wrench, you can loosen up and then close it up. It's very very important. It's one of the worst feelings. Last week my wife was there. She called me. I had to drive about 20 minutes, and then it was a very narrow curb, and I managed to change the tire. I did manage to change the tire, but it was like we were there for between the time she called me until we finished about 2 hours. So I really recommend that you buy. I love these products. You can find them on Amazon. All the links are below, and they're really good, and I should recommend to you when you drive your car, especially on long trip drives. Put your spare tire, put your gear, all the change tire products that you need. It's very important. Learn how to change the tire. It's really important. Thank you guys. Hopefully this was helpful for you.